at home and you are touching with your studies. আজকে আমি তোমাদের যে সেকেন্ড চ্যাপ্টার ফিজিক্যাল কেমিস্ট্রির যে সেকেন্ড চ্যাপ্টার সলিউশন, সেই সলিউশন চ্যাপ্টারটি ডিসকাস করব। সলিউশন চ্যাপ্টারটির মধ্যে অনেকগুলো পার্ট আছে, তার মধ্যে আজকে যে পার্টটা ডিসকাস করব সেটা হচ্ছে ফার্স্ট পার্ট। যে পার্টটা অলরেডি তোমরা ক্লাস 11-এ যে আমাদের ভলিউমেট্রিক অ্যানালাইসিস একটা পার্ট ছিল, ভলিউমেট্রিক ক্যালকুলেশন, ওই পার্টটাই এখন আমাদের সলিউশনের ফার্স্ট পার্ট। ওই পার্টটাই ডিসকাস করবো। খুব একটা অসুবিধা হবে না, কারণ 11-এ এই পার্টটা পড়েছো, ওইখান থেকে নোটটা একটু ভালো করে দেখে নেবে। ফার্স্ট পার্টটা হচ্ছে কি, যে সাম ইম্পর্টেন্ট টার্ম এক্সপ্রেসিং ফর দ্য কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ সলিউশন। এই পার্টটা হচ্ছে সলিউশনের প্রথম পার্ট, ফার্স্ট পার্টটা। আমি যদি বলি যে হোয়াট ইজ সলিউশন? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. In case of binary solution, there are two components. One is solute, another is solvent. What is solute? Solute is the part of component which exists as in less quantities, and the solvent is a component which exists as in large quantities. If we consider NaCl solution, in case of NaCl solution, sodium chloride, that means NaCl, is a solute because it exists as in less quantities. And water is a solvent because water exists as in large quantities. So first part যেটা আমরা আসছি সেটা হচ্ছে কি, some important terms expressing for the concentration of solution. যখন আমি টার্মগুলো বলবো একে একে সবগুলো টার্ম দেখবে মনে করবে, কারণ ক্লাস 11-এ আমাদের এটা অলরেডি পড়া আছে। ফার্স্ট টার্মটা কি? The first term is strength of solution. Strength of solution. What is strength of solution? Strength of solution is the amount of solute present in per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. Strength of solution is a temperature dependent term, because strength of solution is expressed in terms of volume of solution. The terms which are expressed in terms of volume of solution, these are temperature dependent term. That's why strength of solution is a temperature dependent term. So abar boli je what is strength of solution? Strength of solution is the amount of solute present in per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. So what is the formula of strength of solution? Strength is equal to what? Weight of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. This is strength. Strength is equal to weight of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. If volume of solution is expressed in terms of ml, then we can written as weight is of solute into 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. So this is strength. This is the expression of strength. If we consider 4 gram, look, 4 gram of NaOH is dissolving 500 ml of solution, then what is strength? Strength is equal to what? Strength is equal to, here the weight of solute is 4, so 4 into 1000, because volume of solution is expressed in terms of ml, that's why 4 into 1000 divided by 500. So the answer is what? 8 gram per liter. So strength of solution is 8 gram per liter. So if 4 gram of NaOH dissolving 500 ml of solution, then the strength of solution is for 8 gram per liter. And the unit of strength is gram per liter. Clear? Now, our next term is molarity. What is molarity? Already class 11 এ discuss করেছি. What is molarity? Molarity. And molarity is denoted by capital M. What is molarity? Molarity is the number of mole of solute dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. আমি আবার বলছি, it is the number of mole of solute dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. So molarity is also temperature dependent term because molarity is also expressed in terms of volume of solution. Clear? So what is the expression of molarity? Molarity is equal to what? Number of mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Here, similarly, if the volume of solution is expressed in terms of ml, then what? Number of mole of solute into 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. Clear? Now, what is mole? Mole is the ratio of given weight and molecular weight. So, what is the number of mole of solute? Number of mole of solute is the ratio of weight of solute and molecular weight of solute. So, we can written as weight of solute into 1000 divided by molecular weight of solute into volume of solution in ml. দেখো এখানে নাম্বার অফ মোল অফ সলিউট এর জায়গাতে আমরা কি লিখলাম? ওয়েট অফ সলিউট বাই মলিকুলার অফ সলিউট। এবার একটু ভালো করে দেখো তো এই পার্টটা কি? ওয়েট অফ সলিউট ইনটু 1000 ডিভাইডেড বাই ভলিউম অফ সলিউশন ইন ml. This part is the strength of solution. Therefore, we can written as strength in gram per liter. Strength in gram per liter divided by molecular weight of solute. Okay? So the expression of molarity is, final form is strength in gram per liter divided by molecular weight of solute. Next term is normality. What is normality? Number 3. Normality is denoted by capital N. What is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalent weight of solute. It is the number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. ভালো করে খেয়াল করো, মোলারিটিতে কি বললাম? It is the number of mole of solute dissolving per liter of solution. But in case of normality, it is the number of gram equivalent weight of solute dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. That is, normality is also temperature dependent. Clear? So what is number of gram equivalent weight? Number of gram equivalent weight is the ratio of given weight and equivalent weight. It is the ratio of given weight and equivalent weight. How we can determine the equivalent weight? তোমরা অলরেডি জানো, ক্লাস 11 এ পড়ানো হয়েছে। Equivalent weight of acid কি করে বের করি? ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট ওয়েট অফ অ্যাসিড ইজ ইকুয়াল টু কি ছিল? ফর অ্যাসিড how we can determine the equivalent weight? Equivalent weight of acid divided by what? Molecular weight. Molecular weight of acid by basicity. What is basicity? Basicity is the number of replaceable hydrogen in an acid or number of H plus ion formed in solution when dissolved in water. Per molecule of acid in solution যতটা H plus ion add করে, this is called basicity of the acid. If we consider HCl, when HCl dissolved in water, in solution HCl dissociate to form 1 H plus ion. Per molecule of HCl give 1 H plus ion. That's why its basicity of HCl is 1. In case of H2SO4, when H2SO4 dissolved in water, in solution dissociate to form 2 H plus ion. That's why the basicity of H2SO4 is 2. What is the formula of acetic acid? This is the formula of acetic acid. CH3COOH. Look, here 4 hydrogen are there. 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen. But this hydrogen is replaceable hydrogen. That's why although acetic acid contains 4 hydrogen, but basicity of acetic acid is 1 because in solution this hydrogen dissociate to form H plus ion. That means per molecule of acetic acid in solution dissociate to form 1 H plus ion. That's why basicity of acetic acid is 1. Similarly for base আমরা কি করব? molecular weight এখানে যদি আমরা লিখি base এর জন্য for base সেখানে হবে কি molecular weight of base divided by acidity. What is acidity? Acidity is the number of OH minus ion formed per molecule of base in solution. If we consider NaOH, when NaOH dissolved in water, in solution NaOH dissociate to form 1 OH minus ion. That's why acidity of NaOH is 1. In case of LOH, ammonium hydroxide, per molecule of ammonium hydroxide in solution dissociate to form 3H plus ion. Therefore, acidity of LOH is 3. So, in case of base, molecular weight of base divided by acidity. And in case of salt, here equivalent weight of salt is equal to molecular weight divided by number of cation into its charge. In case of salt, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight of salt divided by number of cation present in this salt into its charge. Clear? So, আবার আমরা আগে ফিরে যাই normality. So, normality mathematical expression টা কি হবে? Normality is equal to what? Number of gram equivalent weight of solute. Class 11 এর নোটটা দেওয়া আছে কিন্তু ওইখান থেকে দেখবে number of gram equivalent weight of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Similarly, if the volume of solution is expressed in terms of ml, then number of gram equivalent weight of solute into 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. So, number of gram equivalent weight number of gram equivalent weight is replaced by weight of solute into 1000 divided by equivalent weight of solute. Equivalent weight of solute into volume of solution in ml. So আবার দেখো ইকুইভ্যালেন্টটাকে ছেড়ে দিলে, ইকুইভ্যালেন্টটা বাদ দিলে বাকি যে অংশটা সেটা হচ্ছে কি strength. So therefore the final form is strength in gram per liter. Strength in gram per liter divided by equivalent weight of solute. Equivalent weight of solute. দেখো লেখাগুলো না বুঝতে পারো কিন্তু অলরেডি ক্লাস 11 এ কিন্তু নোটটা দেওয়া আছে, ওই জন্য ওইখান থেকে নোটটা দেখবে, ঠিক আছে? সো দিস ইজ নর্মালিটি. সো থার্ড টার্ম ইজ নর্মালিটি. নেক্সট another important term and this is called molality. Fourth number term is molality. And molality is denoted by small m. And what is molality? Molality is the number of mole of solute dissolved in per kg or 1000 gram of solvent. Clearly খেয়াল করো, এই জিনিসটা খুব ভালোভাবে লক্ষ্য করো যে molality is expressed in terms of weight of solvent, not volume of solution. That's why molality is temperature independent term. জয়েন্টে আসে, জয়েন্টে প্রায় সময় কোশ্চেন আসে যে which term are temperature dependent, which are temperature independent. So molality is temperature independent term, but molarity, normality, strength of solution, these are temperature dependent term. So molarity is the number of mole of solute dissolved in per kg or 1000 gram of solvent. So what is the expression of molality? Molarity is equal to number of mole of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. Similarly, if kg is replaced by gram, then we can retain as number of mole of solute divided by weight of solvent in gram, here into 1000. Clear? Again, number of mole is written as weight of solute into 1000 divided by molecular weight of solute into weight of solvent in gram. So this is the expression of molarity. So देखो हमारे चारटा important term बोलो, molarity, molality, normality, strength of solution. And another important term is formality. What is formality? Formality is mainly used for ionic compound because ionic compound when dissolved in water dissociate to form ions. এই চ্যাপ্টারে থার্ড পার্টে আমরা একটা জিনিস পাবো, সেটা হচ্ছে কি colligative property. That is the property of solution which depend on the number of solid particles. Say if we consider NaCl, when NaCl, 10 molecule of NaCl dissolved in water, in solution dissociate to form 10 Na plus 10 Cl minus. That's why in solution, that is after solution, total number of ions is 20. Molecule ছিল 10, but after solution, total number of ions is 20. So molecular weight can change. That's why in case of ionic compound, generally আমরা molarity use না করে formality use করি. So formality জিনিসটা কি দেখো, formality হলো আমাদের 5 number term, formality. And formality is denoted by capital F. And formality is the number of gram formula weight of solute. It is the number of gram formula weight of solute dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. সবগুলো ডেফিনেশন একই রকমের. It is the number of gram formula weight of solute dissolving per liter of solution at a given temperature. What is number of gram formula weight? Number of gram formula weight is the ratio of given weight and formula weight. Number of gram formula weight is the ratio of given weight and formula. Formula weight and molecular weight are almost same thing. If we consider, say, blue vitriol, so blue vitriol formula like CuSO4.5:2. So তোমাকে কি করতে হবে? CuSO4 plus 5:2 মিলে টোটাল ওয়েটটাকে ফর্মুলা ওয়েট হিসেবে আমরা কনসিডার করব. তো ফর্মুলা ওয়েট কে যদি ফর্মুলা ওয়েট দিয়ে যদি আমরা গিভেন ওয়েটটাকে ডিভাইড করি তখন যেটা পাই সেটা হচ্ছে নাম্বার অফ গ্রাম ফর্মুলা ওয়েট. So it is the number of gram formula weight dissolving per liter or 1000 ml of solution at a given temperature. So what is the expression of formality? Formality is equal to number of gram formula weight of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. লেখাগুলো নাও বুঝতে পারো কারণ অনেকগুলো ছোট হয়ে যাচ্ছে লিখতে গিয়ে, তো তোমরা কি করবে নোটটা থেকে নিয়ে নেবে. তাহলে এখানে কি ছিল যে নাম্বার অফ গ্রাম ফর্মুলা ওয়েট অফ সলিউট ডিভাইডেড বাই ভলিউম অফ সলিউশন ইন লিটার. সো দেখো, if volume of solution is expressed in terms of ml, then we can utilize number of gram formula weight of solute into 1000 divided by এখানে কি হবে ভলিউম অফ সলিউশন ইন ml. Similarly, number of gram formula weight can be written as weight of solute into 1000 by formula weight of solute. Formula weight of solute into volume of solution in ml. And this part is the strength in gram per liter. Therefore, strength in gram per liter, strength in gram per liter divided by formula weight of solute. So this is the mathematical expression of formality. এছাড়া আরো কয়েকটি ইম্পর্টেন্ট টার্ম আছে যেমন মাস পার্সেন্টেজ. What is mass percentage? It is the amount of component present in per 100 gram of solution. It is the amount of, by it is the number of gram of component present in per 100 gram of solution. What is volume percentage? It is the number of volume of component present in per 100 ml of solution. And another important part is ppm. If the strength or if the amount of solute in a solution expressed in terms of 100, that is called percentage. But if it is expressed in terms of 10 to the power 6, then it is called ppm. এই টার্মগুলো আগে ডিসকাস করা হয়েছিল, এগুলো একটু ভালো করে দেখবে. And another important part term is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction is the ratio of mole fraction. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction is the ratio of individual mole of component divided by total mole of solution. আমি আবারও বলছি, it is the ratio of individual mole of component and total mole of solution. If we consider a binary solution, in case of binary solution there are two components. If we consider a binary solution and two components A and B, and the mole number Therefore, the mole fraction of A, mole fraction is expressed in terms of this symbol, that is X. So X is equal to what? X is equal to Na by Na plus Nb. That is, it is the ratio of individual mole and total mole of solution. In case of Xb, it is Nb divided by Na plus Nb. So total mole fraction, if we consider Xa plus Xb, total mole fraction is 1. Just a ख्याल रखें. If we consider any solution, number of components are there. Total mole fraction is always 1. Total mole fraction is always 1. तो ये चीज़ हमारे टर्म की चीज़ strength of solution, molarity, normality, molality, mass percentage, volume percentage, formality, আর কি ছিল mole fraction. And molarity, normality, formality, volume percentage and strength of solution is temperature dependent. আমি আবারও বলি, strength of solution, molarity, normality, formality and volume percentage are temperature dependent terms because these are expressed in terms of volume of solution. And mole fraction, molality, ppm, parts per million and mass percentage, these are temperature independent terms. So এই ছিল আমাদের ফার্স্ট পার্টটা, কিন্তু ফার্স্ট পার্টে কিছু রিলেশন আছে, দেখবে নোটে আছে, ক্লাস 11 এর নোটে আছে, বা আমি যে নোটটা দিলাম তাতেও আছে। রিলেশন বিটুইন মোলারিটি এন্ড মোলালিটি, রিলেশন বিটুইন মোলারিটি এন্ড নরমালিটি ফর অ্যাসিড বেস, এই রিলেশনগুলো পড়বে, ঠিক আছে? পরে আমি নেক্সট যে পার্টটা, দ্যাট মিন্স সলিবিলিটি অফ ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ কম্পোনেন্ট ইন সলিউশন, সেটা আমরা নিয়ে তুমি নেক্সট ক্লাসে আবার আসবো, ঠিক আছে? ভালো করে পড়ো, প্রবলেম থাকলে তোমাদের যে নাম্বার, আমি যে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার আছে, গ্রুপ আছে, সেখানে তোমরা তোমাদের কমেন্টস করে লিখে পাঠাবে যে যে প্রবলেমগুলো থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? বাই।